In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple projects in Monday.com. We'll build a single dashboard that brings several project boards together so you can track progress, spot bottlenecks, and share updates with your team at a glance. Make sure you're logged in and have access to the boards you want to include. Start on the Monday.com homepage. At the top of your workspace, click the blue plus button to add something new. From the menu that appears, choose Dashboard. A dashboard is a central page where you can connect multiple boards and visualize their data side by side, which is perfect for managing several projects at once. Give your dashboard a clear, descriptive name. You can type anything that helps your team recognize what this page is about. Something like Project Portfolio Overview works well. Consistent naming saves a lot of time when you're sharing or searching later. Next, choose the privacy setting. Select Main to make this dashboard visible to your team. Main dashboards are ideal for shared visibility and alignment, while private dashboards are limited to invited members only. For this walkthrough, select Main so others can easily access it. Click Create Dashboard. You'll land on a blank dashboard canvas. To start pulling in data, click Connect Boards. This opens a panel where you'll choose which boards to include. Select the project boards you want to monitor here. You can add more than one, so pick all relevant boards: marketing, product, operations, or any others that you need to track together. When you're finished selecting, click Done. Your dashboard is now connected to those boards and ready for widgets. Widgets are the building blocks that visualize and summarize your information. Click Add Widget. From the widget library, choose Chart. A chart gives you a quick, visual look at progress or distribution across your projects. Once added, you can configure it to summarize statuses, owners, or timelines depending on how your boards are structured. If your teams use standardized status labels across boards, the chart will be much easier to read and compare. To reuse your setup, open the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the chart and make a copy. Click Duplicate. This lets you create a second chart with the same design but a different focus, maybe one chart by status and another by assignee or group, without rebuilding from scratch. Click Add Widget again to bring in more context. This time, choose the battery widget. The battery widget is excellent for an at-a-glance sense of how your projects are moving. It calculates a completion percentage based on the statuses across the connected boards, giving you a clean, visual indicator of overall progress. You'll now see the progress percentages for the boards you selected earlier. If anything doesn't look right, double-check that each board uses consistent status columns and clear Done in Progress labels. Consistency across boards leads to accurate roll-ups in your dashboard. You can resize widgets to fit the layout you prefer. Drag a widget's edges or corners to make it larger for emphasis or smaller to save space. Arrange your key metrics at the top and supporting visuals below to help viewers scan quickly. If a widget isn't useful anymore, remove it to keep your dashboard focused. Open the three-dot menu on that widget and delete it. Keeping only the essentials makes the dashboard easier to understand and faster to load. When you're ready to collaborate, invite teammates to view the dashboard. Use the invite control in the top right area, choose who should have access, and set their permissions appropriately. Because you created this as a main dashboard, it's broadly visible, but you can still target specific people for notifications and ownership. Finally, if you need an offline copy, export the dashboard as a PDF. Click the export option next to the invite button and choose PDF. This is handy for executive updates, client reviews, or archiving snapshots. Before exporting, make sure your layout fits neatly on a page for the cleanest result, and that's it. You've created a Monday.com dashboard, connected multiple project boards, added and customized widgets, arranged your layout, shared access with your team, and exported a PDF for offline use. This setup gives you a single source of truth to manage multiple projects with confidence.